Arrange the bolster and blanket and sit in front of the bolster. Pull bolster towards you. Hold it. Bolster touching the hips. Take your position of the legs. Knee facing towards ceiling. Foot on the ground. Slowly from the hip, touching each vertebra on the bolster, just lie down. See you are comfortable. Take the position of your hands, always rolling shoulders backward. Bring the blanket below your neck and head. And slowly you can push your heels away and make your legs straight. Pushing hip towards heel. Keep foot 90 angle. Take the hip distance between 2 foot. So your back will get stretched towards heel. If it is very difficult for you to hold the position of foot like this, then you can take the support of wall. This is one of the restorative posture using support of bolster and blanket as needed. This allows you to completely relax and rest. Hold this pose at least 15 to 20 minutes or more than that. If your legs are uncomfortable with straight leg, then you can do the Baddha Konasana in this. See your body condition in your practice. Try to increase waiting time in this. Even if you feel sleepy, then you can sleep in this pose. This is very safe. And if you feel, then remove the bolster and sleep in your normal way. You can do this pose immediately after having food. This is very helpful because this is best pose for our digestive system to work properly. The space created in these body cavities will help heart and brain relax with proper blood supply. Digestive system will get flooded with blood supply for its proper function. Hence, my suggestion is bring this posture in your daily routine. Very relaxing, normal inhalation and exhalation. This Baddha Konasana is difficult. You can cross leg and lie down in this. So you can do the variation of leg position, but you will get continuous opening in body cavities. While waiting, lift the chest bone towards collarbone. Push your shoulder blades towards hip. It will create more opening in the chest cavity also. So all the organs situated inside these body cavities will get blood supply and nutrients more. While coming in this pose, take the support of your hands and slowly bring nearer. Relax. Remove the tension on your lower back if you have. Turn towards one side.